Hey guys, so this is my grill brush. It could be used for a whole bunch of different things, but that's what we purchased this for. So I bought a new barbecue grill for my husband for Father's Day of last year, and all of last summer we didn't have a grill brush. So like we noticed like a lot of like the oils from the meats and stuff like that kind of got stuck on the grill. So this is great to use once the barbecue cools. I suggest buying like a grill cleaner with it. Just any kind of grill cleaner, spray it on, and then really make sure you scrub it off well. So it'll keep your grill clean, and it'll also be easier for you to clean as well. So this is awesome. I just keep it in the shed, and then like every time we barbecue, go ahead and give it a little scrub after. So just, pour the, or spray, I have a spray on the grill cleaner, let it sit for a couple minutes, then go ahead and scrub. And this is really fine bristles. They're soft, but they're very effective, and they do a great job cleaning. Anybody that has a grill, I definitely suggest using this. But of course, you could use it for other things as well. But it's awesome. And these are like very sturdy. It's definitely like a sturdy but light brush, gets the job done. So if you guys are looking for a brush to clean your grill with, this is definitely one you should get.